up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me to Zero freaking and Amazon area. But in today's video we're doing something different. Okay, we're not putting out a vlog or anything, but you've probably seen from the title and the thumbnail of this video what this video is all about. However, if you're a small business owner or you know a small business owner, then this video is for you. If you have an online space or online market, which is of course very imperative these days and very crucial and essential to your business to have an online space, then you know that product photography is very essential. However, it is a skill that we get paid for. But how do you do that if you're on a budget? I'll share some quick tips with you in just say 5 minutes because I don't want to bore you or anything, and then I hope you get the gist. So let's roll. Okay, the first tip I need to share with you as a small business owner who is trying to delve into product photography for their business is to know at the back of your mind that you have all the tools that you need. What are these tools? You have a smartphone, you have a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, it's fine. I have another video coming up that is going to show you different ways you can create a tripod for your camera if you need to take pictures for your business. Yes, I said it. Oh. The video is going to come right up under this video in a playlist that I tag product photography for small businesses. However, if you want to see that video, then please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and also tap the notification bell and click on all so you get notified when I bring up new videos. Okay, so I was talking about the tools. You have all the tools you need. You have your smartphone, you have your books, you have your table, your chairs, you have your pillows. Everything you need to take your pictures is with you, and then you have you, which is a very important tool for your photography. So you don't need to go out looking for outrageous, tools or limit yourself and not do business because I don't have all the tools. No, we don't. I mean, I'm shooting this video with my Huawei Y9 Prime phone and just a lapel mic. I hope the production is great. I'm just testing this mic for the first time anyways. Okay, so you have all the tools that you need. The next thing you want to have at the back of your mind is that lighting is your friend, but natural light is your best friend. I'm shooting this video with natural light. However, you're seeing that the exposure is going up and on. It's coming in and out. Yeah, I just chose to use natural light to shoot this video because I didn't want to use my ring light and all that situation. No, so I'm using natural light to shoot this video. That's why the lighting comes in and it goes out because it's been raining here a lot. Yeah. Okay, the next thing you want to do also or have at the back of your mind is to know that everything and anything could serve as props. Your head wrap could be props, your handbag props, your jewelry is prop, your pair of jeans props, your throw pillow props, your wristwatch is props, you props, your fingers props, those cute manicures props. Everything and anything could be props. All you have to do is learn product styling to ensure that you incorporate this prop together, create a nice photo composition that would make your pictures or take your product photography to a whole new level. Yeah. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about, I'm saying next thing a lot because I think I'm losing count, but I don't care. So the next thing I want you to have in the back of your mind for product photography for your small business is that your best shot is not the best. So you might want to take 2-3 more shots after you've taken or seen or gotten your favorite shot, because you know how you take your selfie, so you're like, ooh, this shot is perfect. And then you take 2 more shots and it looks like you've forgotten that you're a perfect shot. Okay, so that's what happens. Take as many pictures as possible and be patient through the process. The next thing you want to have at the back of your mind is that you should be ready to improvise, darling. Improvise, 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 and also be open-minded to learn new things. Don't be stuck in your way. Just because you know how to put your products on the tile and then take pictures of it doesn't mean you don't have to learn product styling. It's quite easy. The only thing that would be necessary to make a difference in that image might just be throwing in some dry flowers. Yes, it might just be having a bottle of perfume beside that that notebook or diary that you sell. So all these things are just basic little things. So you should be open-minded to learn new things and new ways to take your pictures to the next level. Lastly, to end this video, I want you to have a back of your mind as a small business owner taking pictures for your business that yes, we know you don't have all the tools, but you know what? You are limitless. All you need is the right mindset and the willingness to take your pictures to the next level to sell your business on the online space. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave me some comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. I have more videos like this coming. I'm going to arrange all of them in a playlist up here, so you just click on it and then you get to watch more videos. If you need videos on how to design your thumbnail, you need videos for your mobile videography and YouTube video if you want to start out, then don't forget to also do the same thing. Hit me up and click the playlist up here to watch as many of them as possible. Binge, darling, binge. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Amy to Z of Freaking N signing out. Mwah.